Hello guys, LifeHackster here. Today we are going to check and test out the Tapo Video Doorbell D225. This is Tapo's dual-powered video doorbell. This can be set up as battery-powered but also can be truly wired in, and it will have pre-recording features and even record 24/7. But the best thing about this doorbell is that even when you set it up as wired and when power is cut or out, it will continue to record motion events. It will automatically switch to battery mode. Also, Tapo sent this to me to be reviewed, so thank you Tapo, but this is not a sponsored video, and they have no say or input on what I'm going to say on this video. With that out of the way, let's get into the specs. This records in 2K quality, 2560 by 1920 pixel resolution, up to 20 frames per second. It has a 180-degree ultra-wide field of view, probably the widest one that I have tested. In any of my doorbell videos, you will not see this bench right here. The button light becomes a supplemental light at night for color recording, but it also has the traditional infrared night vision. As to battery, it has a 10,000 mAh capacity, and Tapo states that it can last up to 8 months of use. Well, it will really depend on how often the doorbell and its camera gets activated. When wired in or wired in the proper way, and I'll tell you how later on, it has the always on mode, which you will have a pre-roll or it will record a few seconds, up to 4 seconds before motion has been detected. So you're not going to miss any events. Or you can even set this to record 24/7. There's only a few video doorbells in the market today that can record 24/7. No subscription needed. This doorbell records to a microSD card inserted on the doorbell itself, up to a 512GB card. There is also the Tapo Care subscription option for cloud recording and for rich notifications. But that's it. All the other features doesn't require a subscription, like it has AI detection, person, animals, vehicles, and package detection. It has a ring call feature that you will get a phone call instead of a regular app notification when someone pushes the doorbell. It has quick responses.
No one can answer the door right now. We are notified you stopped by. Please leave the item by the door. I'll be there in a minute. Sorry, not interested. You are trespassing. Police have been notified.
It is compatible with Google Home and Amazon Echo devices.
Someone is at the Tapo_doorbell.
It comes with a plug-in chime with different tones to choose from and adjustable volume. And the D225 is IP66 weather resistant. Inside the box, you will get a quick start guide, a plug-in chime, reset button on one side, and volume and tone selection on the other side. You'll get mounting screws and plastic anchors, and a push pin to remove the doorbell. You also get extension wiring, jumper wire, connector, screws, and wire nuts. And we have the doorbell itself, and it has some weight to it. PIR motion sensor here. Lens, a 180-degree field of view, doorbell button and ring light, light sensor, and mic. On the back, we have the wired terminal screw holes here, on and off button, and sync and reset buttons. We have a rubber flap that covers the USB-C port for charging and the microSD card slot. On the bottom, we have the speaker. You also get a mounting bracket and a 15-degree corner wedge, and also a 5-degree tilt up or down wedge. Mounting template, gasket, and a 3M mounting tape if you want a stick-on install, and a short USB-C cable to charge the doorbell. To set this up, first, let's insert a microSD card. Open up the Tapo app, click the plus sign to add device, doorbells, Tapo D225, press and hold the power button to turn it on, already red and green. Go to your Wi-Fi settings and choose the doorbell's Wi-Fi, and go back to the Tapo app, put in your Wi-Fi password, and wait until it is connected. And if you have linked your Tapo account to Amazon, it will automatically be added to the Alexa app. Name your doorbell and the setup is complete. You will then be prompted on their free trial, but this is not needed or required, so skip for now. For installation, if you don't have an existing doorbell wiring, then it will be battery powered. You can use the mounting tape for screwless install, or you can just screw in the mounting bracket with 2 screws. Hook the bottom part of the doorbell to the mount and push to snap it in place. For a wired install, you have to take to account that the terminal connection is mostly in the bottom. That means the doorbell will be a bit higher when installed compared to other video doorbells. I have to make a separate hole here in my mounting block. Now I can screw in the bracket, screw in the included terminal screws on the back of the doorbell, and connect either doorbell wires to the terminal screws and tighten them. Then hook the doorbell on the bottom and push it in until it clicks in place. Now you have to do another wiring to make this fully wired and be able to record 24/7. So go to your chime box and connect the jumper wire to the trans or transformer screw and to the front screw if you only have one doorbell or for your front door. This will also mean that this doorbell will not activate your existing chime box. It does come with a plug-in chime, so when you go back to the app, follow the installation prompts and pair in the chime, which there's also an option to pair with Tapo's hub. That's good. And you have to connect the chime to your Wi-Fi network and it should be set up. Update the firmware if needed. Let's check the settings in the app. When you open up the Tapo app, you will see your devices. Click on the D225, which loads up pretty quick. This is in battery mode, so in here you can take a snapshot, record the live view, listen in, start two-way talk, and this one is full duplex voice call. And the mic icon is for the half duplex push and hold talk. Privacy mode, and we have quick responses. And these are our options, and you can also add and record your own message. These are your recordings in the cloud, and to view the ones in the SD card, play back and download, and you can toggle it to the SD card local recording. And this is where you can download the footage to your phone. Gear icon for the settings, we have detection, and because we are in battery power, we have the wake up settings. And you can adjust the sensitivity here. We have detection zone, so you can set for all or for each detection type. We have all motion or person detection, pet, and vehicle. And we also have package detection. In doorbell, we have paired chimes, doorbell video call, and we have auto response. You can set how many seconds before the doorbell will answer for you. 1 second to 30 seconds. And you can choose which response, or you can record your own response. Anti-theft alarm. Now you can set it to on, and aside from the alarm going off, you will see here that you cannot reset this doorbell when this is on, which is good.
You have been recorded, and the host has been notified. Please return the doorbell immediately.
Power options, because we are in battery mode, we have storage and recording. You can format the SD card here. Clip settings, you can set your retrigger and post recording times, and clip length. Video and display, we have night mode settings, traditional infrared, or we have doorbell mode, infrared normally, but when someone pushes the doorbell, it will turn on the button light for caller recording. Or we have full color mode, where the spotlight or the ring light will turn on when it senses motion. Video quality 2K and 20 FPS. And you can adjust the brightness of the ring light, which you can also customize the color of it. Notifications. If you are not subscribed to their cloud recording, you will not get rich notifications. And these are the snapshots on the notifications. You really don't need to have this with the Tapo because their cameras loads up pretty quick anyways. If you have the D225 wired in and in the settings and the power options, you will get a message that you are now hardwired. You will now have this always on mode setting where you will get a 4 second of pre-recording, or even you can set it to record 24/7. In the recording schedule, you will see that it is set to record 24/7, and you can also edit this if you have the time frames you don't want any recordings or you want recording motion events only. Now time to do some testing.
So this is the video and audio quality of the Tapo Video Doorbell D225. And you see it has a 180-degree ultra-wide field of view. And this is what it looks like when I'm close to the doorbell. And this is what it looks like when I'm close to the door. So this is the video quality of the Tapo Video Doorbell D225 at night, and this is in infrared night vision mode, and it has 2 infrared LEDs. And this is what it looks like when I'm close to the doorbell, and this is what it looks like when I'm close to the door. So this is the video quality of the Tapo D225, and this is in doorbell mode, meaning it's in infrared night vision right now. But when I push the doorbell, it will turn to full color. And I guess I got a notification now that somebody pushed the doorbell. but this is in full color mode. So this is the video quality of the Tapo Video Doorbell, the D225, and this is at night and in full color mode. And I have my porch light turned on, and this is what it looks like when I'm close to the doorbell, and this is what it looks like when I'm close to the door.
Notification speed. This time I'm gonna go across the doorbell right here and see how quick that is. There's really a delay. All right, cool. So I hardwired the Tapo D225 Video Doorbell, and we'll see if the notification speed changes. So I'm on 5G cellular network. Let's check it out. See, it's way quicker when hardwired. Cool. And it should load up pretty quick too. Yep. Now this time, doorbell push to notification speed. And by the way, it's calling me instead of a text notification. And right here, there you go. I can start two-way talk. All right, porch pirate testing for the Tapo Video Doorbell D225. I'm just gonna try to steal this package right here. Oh yeah, man, it's pretty quick. Nice. You know what? I got the sensor dialed in at max setting too. Person detection. Package detected. Well, my UFI also notified me. All right. Cool. If you have Amazon Echo devices, it will act as a chime and also will automatically load up the live view when someone pushes the doorbell.
Someone is at the Tapo_doorbell.
No one can answer the door right now.
Yes, can I help you?
No one can answer the door right now. We are.
Yes, can I help you?
Hello, is LifeHackster here?
Sorry he's not here right now. You want to leave a message? Sorry he's not here right now. You want to leave a message?
No thanks. I'll just come back later.
All right, thank you.
No one can answer the door right now. We are.
Hello, is LifeHackster here? No thanks. I'll just come back later.
Well, what do you think? I think Tapo has a winner here. This doorbell performed well in my testing. And I have noticed this with Tapo cameras that they are pretty responsive. Now, in battery mode, notification has some delay to it compared to when it is wired. The only thing that I'll ding this doorbell is that it only records the doorbell side of the conversation, not the phone side. And aside from that, that's about it. Also, did I tell you the price? It is pretty affordable for a dual-powered video doorbell. Tapo also have the battery-only version, the D210, which I'm going to make a separate review video on. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.